How's it going? My name is Brent from Encore PPF and Tint, and today I want to go over with you how to remove the window sweep on a brand new 2025 Toyota 4Runner. So what we're going to go ahead and do is start by pulling this plastic off right here, and I just grab right here and pull, and then work my hands down and just pull straight out towards me. And we've got some clips here. So the red one, and then there should be 3 white clips. Okay, and then right here we have a little push button clip, so we need to push that in, and then the clip should pop out then at that point. And then we need to remove a screw that's behind here, so just go ahead and take a pick tool, go in behind this and pull out. Oops, got to turn it once it gets in there. You want to catch it. Okay. All right, let's get the screw out. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're come over here, stuff our finger between the glass and the panel, and pull out. We'll get this tool in here. You hear that pop, break loose. There we go. And we'll just run our finger all the way across. You might be able to sneak it out without removing the screw here, but it's so much easier if you do take the screw out. Okay, and then what we're going to do is grab onto this and lift this up out, like that. And then, like I always do, I take this and stuff it in here between the door panel and the metal there, so it opens that gap up there. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back together now then. Okay, so if this comes off here, it just slides back together. All right, so what we've got here on this piece is some plastic parts that stick out, and those slide into grooves here and then in here as well. So we'll put this back together. Just like that. We'll pull back on the panel here. We'll set that front into place and then slide it into that other piece of rubber that's on this side. And then we'll drop this down into place. And then just give it a good push down, make sure it's solidly into place, and then we'll go ahead and bump this panel back on. Okay. Pop this clip out, so I just push on the back here and it pops it out. Ooh. Okay, we'll get that in there. Push it in. Get this back in place here. So this goes into this, the red one goes into there, and then the white ones go into these. Okay. Go ahead and get this screw back in. And we'll get this plate back in here. So just put that plate in there nice and flat, and then push. You'll hear it clip in like that, and we're set. Terrific. Well, that was the process of pulling the sweep on this 2025 Toyota 4Runner, and hopefully you found something helpful there. If you did, give a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.